Hey there, welcome back to the channel. If you've been watching our videos, you saw that we finally got out last weekend. It was pretty spontaneous. We had some errands to run that morning, and then we decided the weather was just too nice to stay in the house. So we were able to get out and do that run up on Sunrise Lake Trail. And nice trail, never been on it, had a great time, great weather. Got pretty muddy, had to go spray the Jeep down when we got done, but it was really nice to get out. Really look forward to getting out, man. The weather is, I know it's early March, unusually warm right now, but gets me excited, man. Gets me excited for summer and the good weather that's coming. This weekend would have been great camping weather. We just had stuff going on. But yeah, with the weather changing and getting nicer, we're really looking forward to getting out soon and doing some camping, and with that, more videos that are out on the trail and at camp and cooking at camp and all that good stuff. I still got to fix that shock mount on the trailer. If you were watching my videos all along, you saw that during one of the runs, I had my upper shock mount, the bolts pulled through the frame. So I've got to get that fixed up and get that upper shock mount remounted. But I've taken the Jeep out since that came off, just running the shock on one side. It's on leaf springs anyway, and it did fine. You just got to be careful because the bounce back without the shock is something to be aware of. But so I got to get that fixed up, and then we'll get back out there. Might even get out there before I fix it if I procrastinate. But so yeah, I want to get that trailer fixed up, get back out camping, and man, I'm just anxious to get out there. Kind of excited about the future as well. As much as we love our setup and what we've got big plans in the future. They're out there a little ways, so I'm not going to get into details right now. But we've got some plans, some ideas. I won't say plans yet. Right now they're kind of moving from dreams to ideas that will hopefully be able to move into the plans and then implementation. So that's quite a ways out, but we're looking forward to what the future holds, and just getting outdoors as much as we can and traveling. And the big trip this last summer, if you followed the videos, and the trip down south and out west, man, that was just amazing. That was the trip of a lifetime so far. I hopefully we'll top that one. But for right now, as far as our overlanding life and our hiking and backpacking and kayaking and all the stuff we've done, that was up there, man. That was a pretty amazing trip to disperse camp out in the desert. 5 years ago, I don't know if I'd even imagined that we'd be doing that. In Michigan, we don't have any desert, and the deserts are a long ways from us. But that was a dream come true trip, really. It was amazing. And go back and watch the videos. I myself recently have gone back and watched some of them videos and just tried to relive that trip a little bit because it was so awesome. So I don't know what we're going to do this year as far as any big trips. We have not yet planned anything big. Hopefully we'll get something good on the books, and hopefully a lot of weekend trips, but definitely that big vacation trip. If we can make a 2-weeker happen, it might be tough given our work schedules this year, and the fact that Lisa's back in school now. But she's going back to get a degree in business marketing, I believe it is, for her, going along with the job she has so she's taking classes, and she has obviously a lot of homework. It's college, so between both of us working full-time and her going back to school, that limits our time a little bit, but worth it. So we're going to try to, like I said, try to get those weekends in, try to get that either week-long or 2-week-long trip somewhere, hopefully somewhere this summer, and just hopefully we got stuff to look forward to and get some great content out there. And I'm doing it again, man. I'm rambling man. So still trying to grow the channel. Been doing this for a few years, and really it's been a hobby, so I haven't really poured myself into it to try to really get monetized and make it a big channel or anything. But any likes, comments, subscribers that we can get. Everything helps the channel. I'd like to keep it growing, and as we keep going forward with this, with the ideas that we have, that we can hopefully turn into plans and implement later, I think then we're going to make the channel more exciting. So hopefully you'll stick around. Share the video, share the channel if you would to your friends who might be interested. We get out and we run trails in the Jeep, and it's not just Jeeps. We got friends that run Subarus and now Nissan and just Toyotas, whatever. We're not haters. We don't care what you're driving. It's fun to have that banter with our friends that are in other vehicles, but end of the day, man, we're all out there for the same reason. Get out there and enjoy life. So, like I said, if you can share the channel, leave us a comment, a like, subscribe, that would really help. Appreciate it. And I'm going to wrap this up, but just want to remind you, we adventure at our level. Get out there and adventure at your level. Thanks for watching.